Mga Lods, did you know there's a new spacious tambayan at Masterson Avenue, Uptown District, Cagayan de Oro City? Toms is a coffeehouse chain based in South Korea, has just finally opened its branch in Cagayan de Oro City. Located at Uptown Cagayan de Oro, just in front of Pueblo de Oro Gate.
I just wanna go my own way.
Toms is considered as a Korean version of Starbucks. It is considered as the biggest and largest coffee shop in Cagayan de Oro City. Come and visit Toms Coffee, the newest coffee shop and hangout place in Uptown Cagayan de Oro City, the upcoming lifestyle center along Masterson Avenue, Cagayan de Oro.
Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna